Okay, so hands. I think one of the mistakes the body workers make is they use their hands too much. And really what we need to start doing is using our body versus our hands. That said, back in the day before I learned how to use my body versus my hand, it's a whole story. I interviewed for a job, it was like 3 hours, and I was just being able to get back to working. And I discovered that if I used a pencil eraser, but I'm not just standing still doing the eraser, I'm using my whole body, which keeps my alignment, rocking, rounding, because if I do this, then my body doesn't stay aligned to the task. So, getting in the nooks and crannies. The reason I'm so far back is because I want you to see how I'm using my body. That's really super important. So you can just kind of start to work that. Then you can take the TheraBand. And this is a non-latex one, so it's a little thicker. And then you go past and you come back through and you, once again, you use your feet. If you look under the stool there, my whole foot is working. That feels really good. You can also wrap them around your forehand. And when we were little, we called it an Indian burn. Wrap the TheraBand one way and the hand the other way. You can also use detailed work with the TheraBand on the fingers, but move your body, use your feet, move your body, not just your hands. Got a low power, notice. Not just your hands, like an hourglass shape. Whole body, whole body, whole body, whole body, whole body. Whole body, whole body, whole body. Fingers. Another scraper I have, interactor. So our grain goes a certain direction, so going with the grain. This way for me, my grain doesn't go this way. But once again, going past and coming through, using my feet. I can use this on my hands as well, using my feet, using my whole body, not just being still and using my hands and arms. Ooh. And I also, back in the day too, I used paraffin. And then feel the difference between your two hands, and then do the other side. Okay, thanks. Hope that helps. Let me know.